Hello world, the spring is here and we start to get some nice amazing fresh vegetables. Like I have this beautiful baby carrots from Italy here. And I would like to make today a risotto primavera with fresh vegetables, a vegetarian risotto. And I'm going to use these baby carrots as the main ingredient and the green tops as a nice beautiful garnish. Let's go! Let's wash the vegetables first. Cut off a few leaves from the carrot tops and reserve on the side. Peel the carrots, remove the tips and tops. Cut carrots using vegetable peeler into thin strips. We will use it for decoration. Other carrots we cut into thin rondelles. Baby spinach and discard any thick stems. Make sure it is clean from earth and insects. Cut broccoli into florets and trim off the skin from broccoli stem and using vegetable peeler cut half into strips. Rest of it into half rondelles. Usually people discard this tasty part of broccoli. We will add it to our risotto. Peel a clove of garlic. Mince shallot onions. You can substitute with yellow onions if you want, just mince it fine. Cut cherry tomatoes in half, in quarter if they are big. Vegetable peeler one more time and slice some Parmesan or Grana Podano. Grate 50 more grams with fine grater. For the risotto, we will need vegetable stock. Bring it to boil and blanch broccoli in it until al dente and fortify the stock at the same time. Check broccoli for doneness with a toothpick, piercing the thickest part, the stem. When it is ready, remove it into a container with ice cold water to stop florets from overcooking. Remove from the water when it is cold. For the risotto, we will need short-grain starchy rice. Italians prefer arborio, carnaroli, vialone nano, baldo, or a few other types. No need to rinse it. In a sauté pan, heat through a dash of olive oil, add few sprigs of thyme and garlic clove. After a minute, add minced shallots. Sweat for 2 minutes. Carrot rondelles and cook for 1 more minute. Now it is time for the rice to go in. Stir it while it is frying and absorbs aromatic oil. Pour in dry white wine and keep stirring while it is absorbed by the rice. By this stage you can discard thyme and garlic as they gave nice aroma already. Now we add the stock. It has to be simmering hot so rice won't cool down. You can add more in the first time, but later when rice would be almost ready to go, little by little. Add broccoli stem and keep stirring to cook rice more even and release more starch that we need for the sauce. Check how much rice is cooked by squeezing one grain. You will see which part is still hard. Keep cooking until 90% ready. Add broccoli strips and, if needed, some more stock. Not too much, you don't want to turn it into a soup. While rice is getting ready, we dress decorative elements with olive oil, salt and pepper. Broccoli florets. Turn off the heat. Butter goes in and we need to whip it into risotto to create nice creamy emulsion. This is called mantecare in Italian. Stir in the spinach. Heat of risotto is enough to cook it, but save its vitamins. Sprinkle with grated cheese and mix well. Season the dish with salt and pepper to taste. Time for plating. Consistency of risotto, not too runny, not too dry. When you tap on the bottom of the plate, it should spread evenly. Garnish the dish with dressed carrot strips, cherry tomatoes, carrot top greens, spinach leaves, and Parmesan slices. Bon appetit! I hope today you got a better understanding on how to make a nice risotto. Risotto is an amazing dish because you can put anything that you want inside and it will taste awesome, but now it's the spring, we're getting ready for the sun, so for me it's better to stay only with the fresh tasty vegetables, and this was my Risotto Primavera dish. Hope you like it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Ciao!